Hello class, today your lesson is about the vocabulary of nature. Now listen and repeat after me. Bird, bird. Butterfly, butterfly. Bee, bee. Bush, bush. Frog, frog. Cloud, cloud. Tree, tree. Lake, lake. Flower, flower. Now let's review again. Bird, butterfly, bee, bush, frog, cloud, tree, lake, flower. Yes, everyone, after you read, I have a short test for you. You just look at the picture and fill in the blank. Your bird. How can you write bird? B-I-R-D, bird. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. B. B begin with letter B. B. Your frog. Frog begin with F-R-O-G, frog. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Well done, everyone. Thank you.